because many Kenyans are asking whether our deployment of our police officers to Haiti will cost Kenya any amount of money. And I want to confirm that Kenya will not spend even 1 shilling for the Haiti mission, because the Haiti mission is a United Nations mission, and the money to take care of the deployment in Haiti for the troops from Kenya and the troops from other countries that are contributing will be provided for by member states of the United Nations. I repeat, Kenya will not spend any money in the deployment of our officers in Haiti, because the Haiti peace mission is a United Nations mission, and the costs associated with the Haiti mission will be met through the contributions of the member states of the United Nations. Taifa letu la Kenya halitatumia pesa zozote katika kupeleka askari wetu katika nchi ya Haiti, kwa sababu jambo hili ni swala la Umoja wa Mataifa, na fedha ambayo itahitajika italipiwa na nchi wanachama wa Umoja wa Mataifa. The United Nations, recognizing the special skills of the officers from Kenya, requested that Kenya becomes the team leader of that multinational force. It is a big honor for our country to be asked not only to contribute to the United Nations peacekeeping forces in Haiti, but also to lead that process. As the minister responsible for Kenya's security, I want to assure the people of Kenya that the way in the past Kenyan soldiers and Kenyan troops have succeeded to bring peace in many countries around the world, even this time round, we are going to succeed in Haiti. Kenya has participated actively and with success in past United Nations peacekeeping operations in Namibia, in Croatia, in Bosnia-Herzegovina, in Cambodia, in Liberia, in Sierra Leone, in Somalia, in DRC, and we have done a good job. We are not about to be defeated. We will succeed in Haiti the same way we have succeeded in other parts of the world. Pray for our officers as we prepare them. I also want to say our constitution requires that before we send our troops to Haiti, we must seek the approval of Parliament. I want to assure the country once more that the Kenya Kwanza administration will not take any shortcuts. We will follow the constitution and the law, and therefore we will be submitting as government the request to the National Assembly and Senate so that they can debate the matter of the deployment of our troops to Haiti soberly, patriotically, and in the interest of our country. We want to ask our members of the National Assembly and Senate not to politicize security matters and to discuss the Haiti deployment as a legal obligation and as a matter of the public interest. We will not take any legal shortcuts. We will go the full hog and seek the approval of Parliament. I also want to assure the country that our participation in the UN peacekeeping mission in Haiti will not compromise our national security. We have made arrangements to make sure that we don't touch sensitive operational areas and programs that require 24-hour attention. And therefore, the fight against terror, the fight against banditry, the fight against organized crime will not be affected by the deployment to Haiti, because we must make sure that we balance our international obligations with our security in the country.